Every scoop of ice cream begins long before the factory wakes. Quality ice cream starts with carefully nourished dairy herds. Health and consistency are protected at every step. Fresh milk begins its journey within minutes of collection. Temperature control preserves purity from the very first moment. Cold precision protects flavor before processing begins. Every batch is verified before moving forward. Thousands of liters wait for the next stage. Rich cream gives ice cream its signature texture. Consistency begins with controlled conditions. Sweetness starts far from the mixing tanks. Natural ingredients gather from multiple sources. Flavor begins with carefully grown ingredients. Every flavor has its own origin story. Fresh fruit adds color, aroma, and character. Separate ingredients prepare to become one product.
Place those crates over here.
The journey from farm to factory begins. Now the ingredients move toward transformation. Now the ingredients move toward transformation. The ingredients begin their carefully controlled journey.
Cold chain logistics protect freshness every kilometer. Precision monitoring prevents quality loss. Fresh milk moves quickly toward processing. Rich cream travels under constant protection. Fresh fruit demands careful handling. Flavor ingredients travel with equal importance.
Every flavor converges on the same destination. The supply chain never stops moving. The destination is finally within sight. Raw ingredients arrive where transformation begins. Every delivery is verified before entry. The factory receives its daily lifeline. Efficient coordination keeps production moving. Every movement follows a precise schedule. Quality checks begin before unloading starts. The next stage begins as ingredients enter the factory. This is where simple ingredients become frozen perfection. Food safety begins before production starts. Every detail protects the quality of the ice cream.
The journey inside the factory officially begins. Each ingredient follows its own controlled pathway.
Fresh milk becomes the foundation of production. Rich cream adds the texture customers love. Sweetness is measured with industrial precision. Fresh ingredients keep their natural character. Flavor begins long before mixing. Every flavor is carefully managed. Technology coordinates every ingredient. Thousands of processes operate as one system. Hidden systems power every frozen dessert. Ingredients move through a network of precision. The transfer equipment stands ready. Every batch begins with a precise plan. Now the ingredients move toward their first transformation. The first step is removing every unwanted impurity. Purity creates the foundation for quality. Every drop is refined before processing. Consistency begins with careful verification. Texture depends on controlled preparation. Even sweetness must meet exact standards. Only the best fruit continues the journey. Clean ingredients protect flavor and safety. Human expertise complements automation.